Hello students, Navankar Vidyapeeth welcomes you in DigiLessons. Today we are going to study Snapshots Supplementary Reader in English for class 11th core course. Chapter 6 The Ghat of the Only World by Amitabh Ghosh. A dying man, an expatriate from Kashmir, asks the author to write something about him after he is gone. The following piece is what Amitabh Ghosh wrote to keep his promise. Introduction. Author pays homage to his late friend Shahid Ali, an expatriate from Kashmir in America, a cancer patient. A dying man's wish under treatment for 14 months, still on his feet, occasional lapse of memory. 25th of April 2001, author went to his apartment, was going through his engagement book, suddenly said, "Oh dear, I can't see a thing. I hope it doesn't mean that I am dying." First time when he talked about his approaching death, author reassured him that he would be fine, asked the author to write something about him after his death. Author's acquaintance with Shahid. Shahid, a reputed poet, author knew his 1997 collection, The Country Without a Post Office, before he even met him in 1998, wrote an article on Kashmir. Shahid, from Srinagar, studied in Delhi. Author had been at Delhi University, but they never met. February 2000, Shahid moved to Brooklyn to be close to his sister. Had a sudden blackout. Had brain tumor. Friendship grew between author and Shahid. Both had common likes and dislikes. A common meeting point. Suketu Mehta joined for lunch, found a common place, met there regularly. Other writers joined them, had a fun time there. An incident in hospital. Author accompanied Shahid to bring him home from hospital. Head was shaved. Shape of the tumor was quite visible. Ward boy came with a wheelchair. Shahid sent him saying that he could walk. After taking a few steps, his knees gave up. Ward boy returned with a wheelchair. Shahid asked him from where he was, wanted to learn Spanish. Shahid's sociability. Every evening there was a party in Shahid's living room. Loved that people come and there. Always food. Loved the spirit of festivity. Fan of Begum Akhtar. Had met her in his teens. Full of stories about her sharpness and smart replies. Incident at Barcelona's airport. Was stopped by a woman security guard. Was asked if he was carrying something that could be dangerous to the passengers. Replied by saying that it was only his heart. Shahid, master of sharp replies. Shahid as a teacher, teaching in a Manhattan's Baruch College. Short class. As he had an appointment at the hospital, students almost worshipped him, printed a magazine and dedicated it to him. Indian student walked in late, greeted her with remark, "Ah, my little subcontinent has arrived. Felt good to meet another South Asian." His time at Penn State, came in contact with a group of Indian students, later went to Arizona to take a degree of creative writing, got series of jobs in colleges and universities. First blackout in 2000 was on leave from Utah. Love for homeland after 1975, mainly lived in America. Brother was already there. Joined by two sisters, parents lived in Srinagar. Spent summer time with his parents. First-hand witness of the violence that seized Kashmir from 1980 onwards. Both witness and martyr, central subject of his poems, steady deterioration of the political situation in Kashmir, deeply affected by it. Not a political poet, respects his art and all religions. Mother helped him make a temple in his room. Death, Kashmir and Shahid were inseparable. All the medicines stopped. Doctor gave him a year or less. Wanted to go back to Kashmir. Later changed his mind. Decided to be led to rest in Northampton in the vicinity of Amherst. Last moments, 27 October, author's last meeting with Shahid at his brother's house in Amherst. Shahid, aware of his approaching end, was pleased with it, no trace of pain in his face, calm and contented, believed that he would meet his mother in afterlife. 8th December, 2 a.m. Died peacefully in his sleep. Now question answers. What impressions of Shahid do you gather from the piece? Answer. Agha Shahid Ali was a multifaceted personality. He appears to be a sensitive soul. Shahid was born in Srinagar, Kashmir, and he studied in Delhi. Shahid was a fine scholar and a brilliant teacher. He was very fond of good poetry, music, clothes, and food. He loved to be surrounded by people and made sure there is always food available for them. He never lost courage in the face of misfortune. He was as spirited as always. Second, how do Shahid and the writer react to the knowledge that Shahid is going to die? Shahid got scared when he felt for the first time that he was dying. Occasional memory lapses and blackouts became more serious with passage of time. He said to the writer Amitabh in a clear, ringing voice, "When it happens, I hope you will write something about me." The writer was shocked and could not think to say a word on such occasion. At last he promised that he will do the best he can. After that, the writer started keeping records of their meeting and conversations which helped him to keep his promise. Third, look up the dictionary for the meaning of the word diaspora. What do you understand of the Indian diaspora from this piece? The word diaspora means people who have settled far from their ancestral homelands in other countries. From this text, we come to know that many Indians have settled in different countries far from their homeland. Shahid, his siblings, writer Suketu Mehta and the writer Amitabh from part of the Indian diaspora in America. These people never forgot about their roots. They feel a sense of unity. Thank you, students.